I'm Shola. Welcome to our adventures.
Today, we visit the River Nile in Africa. Do you know the River Nile is the longest river in the whole world? Wow! It flows across 11 countries in Africa, but it's the longest distance in Egypt. Let's jump in our boat and go down the river.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the Nile. North to south the river flows. Come on, here we go. Row, row, row your boat. What do we see? Fishermen fishing, traders trading, working for their dreams. Row, row, row your boat gently down River Nile. Camels, trees, a valley of kings. We can see so many things. Row, row, row your boat gently down the Nile. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down River Nile. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Wow, that was fun!
It was. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel
to see all our adventures.
Bye-bye. See you soon.